Here I've got Nokia One Plus, and let me show you how to update applications on the following device. So at first you have to open your Play Store or some other home store, then slide right to open More Options and click on My Apps and Games. And here you'll notice updates, so simply scroll down a bit and you can either update each application, so for example Google Chrome, click on the update icon and wait until the update is downloaded and then installed. As you can see here, we've got the progress, so it's almost done. Now it's installing the update, and within a short while your update will be installed and you will be able to use the latest Chrome version. And also you can update all applications at once. Simply tap on Update All. And as you can see now, all of them will be downloaded and installed as Google Chrome. So as you can see, Google Chrome has been already updated, and it will be the same with all the above applications. So that's it. This is how you can update applications in your device in your Nokia One Plus. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.